OMG, so hari tu lepas ada langgar Marsha, I received this. So this is Glow to Go. See from the box is kita dapat Acne Fix Deep Cleanser and Brightening Deep Cleanser. They also sent me their View Bright, and these are the sets yang ada kat dalam Glow to Go. We're gonna go through one by one. Look at how colourful they are. Their Cera Cleanse Stick. Oh wow. So dia cakap you just letak macam ni and then you just bilas. Dan bilas, and it makes my skin feel super smooth. Diorang punya moist stick, I'm telling you that this is super easy, especially kalau you pergi travelling. Now sunscreen stick, kalau you nak pakai untuk midday, letak kat dalam bag solat you, this would be the perfect combo. Senang and cepat. Cantik. Blusher dia ada dua, which is Peach of Mine and Pinky Promise. Glide it through. Super pigmented. Blends well. Really well. When I use Pinky Promise dekat BB. Powder dia is my ultimate favourite. Brush and swirl it across. Dah siap makeup midday kita dengan House Cosmetics Glow to Go.